Today I'm going to show you how to do an oil change in a 2008 Honda Civic. I'm going to show you a list of things that you might need. So of course an oil filter. I got an XTP Extra Life. I just like using that because, again, extended life. This is the oil I use. The car recommends an OW20, but I use 5W30 just because it has high mileage and it greases up better the engine. The bolts on the oil pan is a 17 millimeter. I already have it set up. Just always open up the little drain plug. A lot of people forget to do that, and then it just leaks everywhere. I mean, a lot of people, by myself, because I've done that. And of course, you're just gonna want to start draining this a little bit. So I had to stop and grab an extra tool because it was really tough to pull out. And with this tool, all you're gonna do is just grip on the filter and pull. Remove the filter. It's already leaked the excess amount. Just gonna let that drop. Over here, we're about to take off this screw, which you're always gonna turn to the right side towards the passenger area. And of course, you're gonna have your pan all ready because, you know, leaks are inevitable. So, of course, you see that smooth leak. You might want to wear gloves because shit gets messy. You're gonna want to grease your oil filter just a slab bit right before you put it on. You're gonna want to pour a little bit of this one in there too. Now that you can see it stop leaking, you're gonna want to clear up with an old rag some of that excess oil because it's gonna smoke up. You're ready to put your oil filter that has the oil and the grease on it already. A small step I forgot to show you guys in the beginning was to always open up your cap and let it vent while you guys are draining your oil. And here's the satisfying part, just pouring this. And your Civic has a small engine, so it's not going to take more than 5 quarts. Just grab this big, you're going to avoid that spill you just saw. But as I was saying, you're going to grab this big gallon and pour these 5 quarts in there. The car's gonna chug it up pretty easily. Now that the car is off the ramps and everything is closed up, let's check the oil level to see if we did everything correctly. And yeah, as you can see, it is a little bit past it. We're gonna check it once again. And we do want it to be a little bit past it because we don't want low oil. Yeah, we're good. Thank you for watching.